Welcome friends. The topic of today's video is why the cardiac pain is usually referred to the left precordium or the left side of the chest and the inner aspect of the arm and the forearm. The heart is supplied by upper fourth thoracic spinal segment, that is T1, T2, T3 and T4, and the skin over the precordium is supplied by second thoracic, third thoracic and the fourth thoracic spinal segment. Also the skin over the inner aspect of the arm and the forearm is supplied by T2 and T1 spinal segment. The upper part of the inner aspect of the arm is supplied by second thoracic spinal segment, and the lower part of the inner aspect of the arm is supplied by T1. Also the inner aspect of the forearm is also supplied by T1 spinal segment. Since the skin over the precordium, the inner aspect of the arm and the forearm have the same spinal segment innervation as that of the heart, that is the T1, T2, T3 and T4. So due to the concept of the referred pain, any cardiac pain due to angina or myocardial infarction, pain will be referred to the skin over the precordium, inner aspect of the arm and the forearm. Now, why the cardiac pain is usually referred towards the left side? It can be explained by two reasons. First is that the most of the cardiac lesions occur on the left side of the heart. This is due to the fact that the most of the myocardial infarction is due to the blockage of the branches of the left coronary artery, which supplies the left side of the heart. The branches are the anterior interventricular artery and the left circumflex artery. Okay? If the cardiac lesion occurs on the right side of the heart, the pain will be referred towards the right side. Therefore, this fact that the cardiac pain always occurs on the left side of the chest is a misnomer, and this misnomer is known as left arm myth. Okay? Now the second reason. Most of the sensory neurons from the heart that carries the pain sensation enters the spinal cord through the left side. Therefore, the pain is usually referred towards the left side of the person. So, these are the two reasons why the cardiac pain is usually referred to the left precordium or the left chest wall and the inner aspect of the arm and the forearm. Thank you very much.